In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix COD Mobile Login Problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of ways you can simply go ahead and fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your server status. Make sure that the COD Mobile servers are online. You can visit the official social media or down detector in order to go ahead and check it. If that is not the case, it could also be your internet connection. Use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and try switching network or restart your router. Again, if that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and close the COD mobile application and restart the game. You could also simply go ahead and restart your device if you need to. Always make sure that your date and time settings are set to automatically, and make sure that you're always playing with the latest version of the game. If that is not the case and you're using Android, you can simply go ahead and head into Settings, Apps, COD Mobile, and Storage to clear cache. If that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and log out and log in again into your account. And if none of it works, simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.